Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through the entire process of creating a Facebook page for your business, hobby or community. So let's get started. Step to create a Facebook page. First, go to the Facebook homepage. From the menu bar, click on Pages. Once there, click on Create a new page. Select Public Page, then click Next, followed by Get Started. Enter your page name, category and bio, and then click Create Page to set up your page. Step 1. Finish set up your page. If you have a website, enter its name. Select your country's phone code and add your phone number. Provide your email address and location details. Click Next to proceed. Step 2. Customize your page. Upload a profile picture and cover photo for your page. Click Next to move forward. Step 3. Connect WhatsApp to your page. It is mandatory to connect a WhatsApp number to your page. Enter your country's code followed by your WhatsApp number and click Confirm. A verification code will be sent to your WhatsApp. Enter the code received on WhatsApp in the blank space. Once connected, click Next. Step 4. Build your page audience. You can skip this for now and proceed by clicking Next. Step 5. Stay informed about your page. Leave the draft settings and click Done. And that's it. Your Facebook page is now fully created. Creating a page is simple and a great way to connect with your audience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.